Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel BALU Master. Today I am going to discuss target KCET 2021. We are discussing definite integration part 5. In the previous session we discussed indefinite integration, the formula related question or else some known results related questions we discussed. That is the area which is first priority in definite integration. Then the second priority for definite integration means that is what property related question. So today I am going to discuss about the properties, how to use in definite integration. That area is the second area which is most important, and whereas coming to third area, that is what cumulative area, we will discuss in the next session. Okay, let us start today. In property related questions, the first area is nothing but it is 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 1000x by sine power 1000x plus cos power 1000x dx. This is given in previous entrance examination question only. So this kind of questions, how to do mean property as integral 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx, and hence this is what upper limit minus x. It is of the form 0 to a. So first of all, let it be called this function as I, and you need to convert into one more function I. Whenever upper limit minus x, if you do sine power upper limit pi by 2 minus x, you will get it in terms of cos. Sine will become cos, cos will become sine. Add first equation, second equation. So numerator and denominator you will get it equal, and hence integral 1 dx you will get it. Then integrate, you will get the answer. That is what by property we are going to solve the sum. It takes hardly 30 seconds to 35 seconds time. But if you know the shortcut formula for this kind of questions, so you can able to attempt the question within fraction of seconds, in the sense 2 to 3 seconds you can able to evaluate the answer. The shortcut formula is instead of this formula I'm going to use integral 0 to a f of x by f of x plus f of upper limit minus x dx, a by 2. It's a super duper shortcut formula, friends. So integral 0 to a f of x is required. So sine power 1000 sine power 1000 plus so instead of x, if you substitute upper limit minus x, that is what so sine upper limit minus x means sine upper limit minus x means sine pi by 2 minus x, that is what cos combination. Whenever it is of the formation, you can able to write just a by 2. What is the upper limit? A is by 2, and hence a by 4 is your answer. When let us move to here, the next sum. So based on this only, integral 0 to pi by 2 200 sin x plus 100 cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. If you apply directly, I think so your feeling is it not is of the form, but if you split and analyze, it will be in the same formation only. How you are going to split this question means integral 0 to pi by 2. I want to split like this. 200 is the constant value, keep it outside. Sin x by sin x plus cos x dx plus now if you split like this, 100 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. If you observe sin x f of x, f of upper limit minus x, sin of 90 minus x cos x, cos x cos 90 minus x sin x. That's what you can able to apply the formula directly. This total part you can able to write a by 2, that is what pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4 plus 100 times of pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4. You can able to take pi by 4 as common. You are getting 100 plus 200 is nothing but 300, and hence 75 pi is your answer. That's what second option is correct answer. Instead of using this property, you can able to use by using this shortcut, then the problem will become very easy. Similar kind of one more property is there. I'm going to discuss that also. Please look at it. Similar kind of model only, friends. This is what is integral a to b f of x by f of x plus f of lower limit plus upper limit minus x dx. So what is the property here? I'll write here integral a to b f of x by f of x plus so f of lower limit plus upper limit minus x dx. Then the property becomes b minus a by 2 is the shortcut formula. This is the shortcut formula, friends. If you observe integral 1 a to b f of x, so both are plus f of lower limit plus upper limit 1 plus 3 4 minus x required. Lower limit plus upper limit minus x, so 4 minus x dx is there. That's what you can able to write directly the answer b minus a by 2, that is what 2 by 2, and hence the answer is 1. It is enough time in 2 seconds to complete this sum. So let us move to next one. Integral 2 to 8. So root 10 minus x, so root 10 minus x, f of x. So this can be written as square root of lower limit plus upper limit 10 minus of 10 minus x, that's what x only. Then this also satisfies the same condition, you can able to write directly 8 minus 2, upper limit minus lower limit by 2 is nothing but 6 by 2, and hence the value is 3. So 3 is the answer. So this kind of questions you people can able to attempt very easily. So by using this kind of shortcuts, I goes to integral 0 to 1 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. This is what 2020 question. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log sin x plus cos x by cos x dx. This is 2015 question. But these two questions having similarities, if we simplified, if try to solve, then you can able to understand very clearly. So then this kind of questions, what you are going to do here, so you are going to take the substitution for x, because in this denominator if you observe 1 plus x square is there, obviously you are going to take x as tan theta. So differentiate with respect to x, then you are getting dx is equals to tan theta derivative as secant square theta d theta. So this is what limits also will be changed whenever you are going to take the substitution. If you take 0, tan 0 is 0, that's what 0 only. If you take 1, tan pi by 4 is 1, that's what it will become, 1 will become pi by 4. Log 1 plus tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta into dx can be written as secant square theta d theta, and hence what happened, secant square theta get cancelled. Now after completing this step, you need to observe integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. That is what your known result, that collection also given in the previous session. Just you look into once, integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta is nothing but pi by 8 log 2 is your answer. So whenever you know the result, automatically this kind of questions, after completing 1 or 2 steps, you can able to guess the answer very clearly. So pi by 8 log 2 is your answer. If you come to this question, this is what given, integral 0 to pi by 4 log, so sin x by cos x nothing but tan x plus 1, cos x by cos x 1. So whenever it is of the form integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx is nothing but obviously the answer is pi by 8 log 2. These two models are same models only, just the way of question only they are asking in a different way. So please kindly observe the importance of the model. I'll move to next model is integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin power 103x cos power 101x dx. So similarly minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin power 7x dx. Whenever lower limit and upper limit is of the form minus a to a, whenever the lower limit to upper limit is minus a to a is there, so then it is a property related sum. That is what integral minus a to a f of x dx is equals to, we can able to write 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even function. If f of x is even function, whenever if f of x is odd function, if it is f of x odd function, then you are going to get the answer as 0. So now the priority is you need to check whether the function is even or odd. That is what enough. If it is odd, the answer you will get it directly answer as 0. In both the options 0 also there, that's what possibility is there to get odd function also. Odd function, even function checking is very easy. So they are going to give f of x, you need to substitute instead of x as minus x. Instead of x as minus x, you need to substitute. If you are getting plus f of x means that is what even function. If you are getting minus f of x means that is what odd function. Plus f of x means even function, minus f of x means odd function, that is. If you are not getting plus f of x or minus f of x means that is what neither even nor odd function, that is also next model question. That kind of questions also there, so we will discuss in the next session. Now if you observe here, f of x is nothing but if you see sin power 103x into cos power 101x. So now you need to substitute instead of x as minus x. So sin of sin power 103 of minus x into cos power 101 of minus x. So generally the formula for sin of minus theta is nothing but minus sin theta minus whole power odd number gives negative value. That is what minus sin power 103 into x. Then coming to next, cos of minus theta is always plus cos theta. That's what power even number or odd number, no problem. So cos power 101x. If you observe, this is nothing but minus times of this total part, you can able to write as x. So f of minus x satisfies minus f of x. That is what odd function means. The definition is f of minus x is equals to minus f of x only. So whenever this condition satisfies, you can able to write answer as 0. Yes, this question answer is 0 only. So then coming to next area, the same model question only, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin power 7x given. So f of x is equals to sin power 7x here. So then f of minus x can be written as sin power 7 minus x. That is what minus sin power 7x. So this is equals to minus f of x. So f of minus x, if you consider you are getting minus f of x, means this is the odd function. Whenever odd function, that integration is nothing but 0. So this kind of easy rare questions also they'll ask. Please identify carefully and you can tick the answer. These are the previous entrance examination questions only. So in the next session, the remaining models which we are going to give from the properties, I'm going to discuss. Stop here. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Bye friends.